Hello guys, I'm going to take you through the tool which we have developed by Fixel Magic. This is currently aimed at schedules, automation and live scores for tournaments, badminton tournaments mainly. The first page shows a readme with all the abbreviations used and the expansions for the same. I hope all these are self-explanatory. You can pause the video if you want to see and have a read through. And the second page shows the list of teams. This tool was created for a badminton tournament, the Inspire UK badminton tournament. For the intermediate section, we had a separate tool for the advanced. The intermediate category had 40 teams, 10 teams in 4 groups, where every team played 5 games each in the first rounds. So if you look at this, you can see this is group 1. The team 1 is Nisha and Riyaz, and we've got team 1 to team 10 of group 1, and then similarly in group 2 you've got team 1 to team 10, and also group 3 and group 4. And if you move on to group 1 and 2 sheet, you can see the schedules. So these scores are not the real scores but some sample scores we inputted to test the tool. So as organizers, all you'll have to do is update the scores here. So when a team plays, everything is automated, like the schedules, pre-agreed arranged schedules are created here. Schedules are built in a way that no team will play 2 consecutive games, and they've got some breathing space between the games. So at the end of the game, end of every game, what they'll have to come and do is come and update the score here, how much the team 1 scored and how much the team 2 scored. And based on that, this league table for that particular group will be updated. I can give you an example. If you look here, if I decide to make the Georgie and Nobin win in this game, so let me try to put 23. You can see Georgie and Nobin has got 5. They played 5 games, 4 wins, 1 lost, and points and why. So if I make it 23, you can see Joby and Nobin will have 5 wins. And the league table is not sorted automatically, but in the next version of our tool, it will be sorted automatically. Right now, what you'll have to do is click on sort group points. You can see Georgie, Nobin going up in the group table. So you can see that Georgie and Nobin played 5 games, won 5 games, lost 0 games. They got a points that is 3 times 5, 3 times the number of games they won. And the score difference is, what is the score? I mean, it's really the total of the scores they scored, take away total of the scores their opponent scored in all the games. The total score, TS, is total score, that is the total of the score. Currently this league table is sorted by points first, descending order, and then by score difference, and then by total scores. So if at all there is a draw after all the group games, if there is a tie between 2 teams and you want to decide whom you want to bring or who should be on the top, then what you can do is you can probably let those 2 teams play a 10-point game and give them a weightage here. So all the green columns are editable here. So if you give a weightage here, if all other scores were equal, this Georgie and Nobin would go on top.